Hi there, I'm Miriam from InboxAlly, and today I'm going to show you a powerful tool we've built to help your emails stay out of the junk folder, the Email Spam Checker tool. The best part is that this tool is 100% free. You don't even need to create an account or sign up to get started. It's designed to find your spam score and give you a clear roadmap to perfect deliverability. To find it, just head over to the InboxAlly website and click on Free Tools and then Email Spam Checker in the top menu, or you can follow the direct link included with this video. You can run this test in 4 simple steps. Step 1 is to look at the text box containing a custom-generated audit email address and click the Copy button to save it to your clipboard. Now for Step 2, head over to your favorite email sending tool, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or a marketing platform. Compose a new email using the content you typically send, like your standard template. Paste that audit address into the To field and hit Send. Once you've sent the email, go back to our tool, and here you see it's changed. It only took 30 seconds to generate a report. Click the button called Open Report. Now let's look at the results. Here is a report showing a 90% score. You can see that the SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and domain headers are all set up perfectly. If you want the technical breakdown, you can click into the details for each section to see exactly why you passed. Here it showed that I need to set up BIMI. It figured out that I am not following CAN spam regulations by not having an unsubscribe link and recommended that I have one. It checks you against block lists. Here, it checked my email against 38 lists. It checks the reputation of the link included in the email I sent out. It even gives you a spam score. Finally, it lets you print the report or copy a link to the report so you can share it with anyone you like. If your report shows errors and you aren't sure how to fix them, you can find links at the bottom of the page to sign up for a free trial of InboxAlly or book a consultation call with us. We also recommend validating your recipient list through an email validation tool, like the one built into the InboxAlly app, to ensure you aren't sending to invalid addresses. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for using InboxAlly, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering your deliverability. Happy InboxAllying!